Hey, 5th grade. Okay, so before we start our lesson, which will be dividing fractions by whole numbers, page 231, let's do a little quick review. 5, 7, 6. If you got that wrong, go back to 3rd grade. 4, 7, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3. If you had a sibling, you could always do a speed race with them. Ready? 64, 27, 49, 36, 72, 10, 1, 16, 8, 18. Good job. Put those out of the way. Okay, to our lesson. The one thing that I noticed in some of your work yesterday, when you went to divide, you forgot to flip that second number. Remember, when you are dividing by a fraction, so let's say that you've got 8/15 divided by 3/7. To work that problem, you keep the 8/15 the same, flip over the second one. In other words, you invert the divisor. Flip over that second one. Now you can multiply. Okay? So don't forget to do that. You have to do that anytime that you're dividing. The only other way is to do that longer way where you find the common denominator and then do your division. This is faster, easier, less chance to mess up. Just remember to flip the second one. Okay, so today we're going to be dividing with whole numbers. First off, look at your yellow box on page 233. It starts off with 3/4 divided by 2 1/2. First thing you have to do is change 2 1/2 into its improper fraction. Then you're going to flip it, cross cancel, and get your answer. Same thing over here on the next one where it says 80 divided by 6 2/3. Change 6 2/3 to an improper fraction. Then flip it, multiply, cross cancel. Actually, cross cancel first, and then multiply. If you forget to cross cancel, it's no big deal. Just remember you're going to have to break it down smaller. So it makes more sense to cross cancel. Okay, let's start with 4/7 divided by 5. When you have a whole number, to make it a fraction, just stick it over a 1. But I'm not finished. I can't do this yet. 4/7, I'm changing the division to a times. I'm flipping this one over. Now, the sun came out. Oh, now I can multiply. 4 times 1 equals 4. 7 times 5 equals 35. So your answer is 4/35. Okay, let's look at this one. 2 1/3 divided by 2. So the first thing I need to change this to an improper fraction. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3. Divided by, well, we're not even going to do the divided by. We're just going to go ahead and put it times, flip it. Do you see anything that you can cross cancel? That's right, nothing there. So 7 times 1 is 7. 6, and then fix it. Change it back to a mixed number. That's all you gotta do. Okay. Let's do one. If you've got to write on whiteboard, you can work along. If not, Work along with it out loud. Okay, we're going to do number 2A together. 3/4 divided by 2 1/2. Thorn, what do I got to do first? That's right, I got to change this to an improper fraction. John, what do I do? Yep, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is going to be 5/2. This part stays the same. Now, Jeremiah, what's the next step? What do I have to do? Got to flip this over, invert it. And Jack, what do I put right here? What have I got to do? Yep, multiply. Okay, boys, can I cross cancel anything? A 2 goes into there. And now I say 3 times 1, 2 times 5. That's it. That's my answer. I don't have to do anything because the top number is smaller than the bigger number. It can't reduce any farther because we've already done our reductions right there. That's it. The big thing you have to remember is my marker is a brand new marker. Okay. Thing you've got to remember is to invert that second number before you multiply. If you don't, you're not going to get the right answer. All right, that's your lesson. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. I went to the classroom today to get a few more things like our flashcards. It was really sad. The classroom was empty and cold. It didn't smell like stinky 5th grade boys anymore. Bye.